In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import sheets to Metabase Airbyte. By the end, you'll have a Google Sheet connected so you can explore, query, and build dashboards directly from your data in Metabase. First, open your Metabase workspace in your browser and sign in. You'll be working from the admin area or the place where you manage data connections, so make sure you have the right permissions. If you're not an admin, ask someone who is to follow along and set this up for your team. Next, look for the Google Sheets option among the available data sources and select it. This connector lets Metabase read data from your Google Sheets so you can treat a sheet like a lightweight database table. It's great for quick prototypes, shared team trackers, or any dataset that lives in Sheets. Click Connect to begin the setup. Metabase will present choices for how you want to bring in your data. You'll see options to connect an entire folder or a single sheet. Choosing entire folder is helpful if you maintain multiple sheets in one drive folder and want them all available in one go, especially if files change over time. For tighter control, choose single sheet, which is what we'll use here so we can import exactly one file. After selecting single sheet, paste the sharing link for the Google Sheet you want to import. To get that link from Google Sheets, open the file, click share, and copy the link. Make sure the file is accessible to Metabase. Typically, setting link access to viewer is sufficient. Avoid restricted links that limit access to specific people unless your Metabase connection is authorized for those accounts. Before you move on, a few tips to ensure a smooth sync. Put your column names in the first row of your sheet and keep them unique and clear. Avoid merged cells, blank header rows, and mixed data types in a single column. Keep your sheet tab name stable, since renaming tabs can break downstream queries. If you're including dates, store them as proper dates rather than free text. And if your sheet includes formulas, confirm the resulting values are what you expect, especially for empty cells that can appear as blanks. Once the link is in place, Metabase will connect and start syncing the sheet. You'll then see the dataset in your data browser ready to query. From there, you can build questions, create charts, and add your results to dashboards just like any other source. That's it. Your Google Sheet is now powering insights in Metabase.